Hey everyone, it's me Jacob back here with another video. This is episode 2. Yeah, episode 2 on our Lego fire truck review. We have so many new fire trucks. It's been so long since we've updated or uploaded another video. And for this video, I want to give a humongous shout out to Jake Buck from City of Brick Angeles. For helping us build the 2016 Pierce Arrow XTs we have. And I just wanted to tell Jake, if you're watching, this one's for you, and I hope you like our trucks. So I'm going to start off with the Pierce Arrow XTs. So starting off with engine 1. You guys haven't not seen this one yet. But this one is engine 1. It is a Pierce Arrow XT, 2016 Pierce Arrow XT. This is a rescue engine. So a rescue engine is basically a squad. This one has a box and a white tower. The white tower actually turns full 360, and it can do it over and over again. This truck has a hose bed for these black hoses. You can put 3 of these hoses in them. This truck goes to almost every call. This one goes to medical calls, fire alarms, fires, car accidents, goes to everything. Moving on to our second Pierce Arrow XT. This one has been modified. This one used to be a snorkel. Now it's a 2016 Pierce Arrow XT rear mount tower ladder. This one goes to fires, fire alarms, sometimes car accidents. This one does not go to medical calls because this one has no medical equipment on it. This one has car extraction as well, and fire equipment. This one has outriggers that come down on both sides. And the ladder, if you guys out there are asking, yes, the ladder does come up and does extend. It extends much more, but yeah. Here it is, fully extended. Now on to Quint 1, which is the newest. Quint 1 goes to fire. This Quint 1 is basically an engine and a ladder put together. So it has a pump and a water tank, like an engine, but it also has a ladder, like a ladder truck. Ladder does extend. Ladder extends a lot more. This one goes higher, or no, that one goes. Truck 31 goes higher. This one goes a little lower, but this one is my favorite truck. Same cab, 2016 Pierce Arrow XT. Red lights for all of our trucks. Outriggers have flashers. This one can go to car accidents as well. This one can hook up to a hydrant, unlike most ladder trucks. On most ladder trucks, you have to hook the hydrant up to an engine, then have a hose to the ladder truck, but this one you can pull right up to a hydrant. This truck would probably be first due out of your station in real life. Moving on next to one of the newer trucks also is, this one is brand new. This is Command 19. This one, back door opens, the sides open. These ones are from instructions from the Command 4 for the police. And we're also building a hazmat unit, which I'll show you later. That's our truck that's in working progress right now. This one is Rescue 5. This goes to hazmat calls, car accidents, water rescues, fires, pretty much anything. This one has chains on the side. This one has 3 compartments. This one has tools. This one has, I made this for hazmat. It's just a little pipe with a nozzle at the end to suck up hazmat fluids into a tank, and then there's a tanker truck down near the firehouse where it unloads and brings it to the hazardous waste plant. That's it for this video, everyone. Please leave a comment down below for any mistakes, or comment any good vibes or awesome vid. Leave a like, subscribe, and put post notifications on so you can figure out when and if we do a next video. Thanks for watching. This is Jacob signing out. Bye.